ayan na nga, magbo-voice lesson. Ayun, tanong ko sa'yo, nung tuwing summer vacation or school vacation yun, nag-voice lesson ka ba?
Dati. Parang bata pa ako noon, as in batang-bata pa ako nag-voice lessons. May mga recital din.
Kaya pala, ang galing mong kumanta.
Ano ka ba? Mas magaling kang kumanta, sampulan mo kami ngayon.
Kaya mga ka-RSP natin dyan, mga magulang ngayon, paparating na. Tama ba?
Nakakainit ng ulo.
Kung may extra, ay maganda na enroll natin ang ating mga anak sa mga summer camps.
Tama ka dyan, Noel, dahil maganda na suportahan natin sila sa kanilang murang edad pa lang. Katulad na lang ng kasama natin today, ang very young and talented na si Violet Santa Cruz.
Wow! Ayan. Good morning, Violet. Welcome sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
Hi!
Yeah, hello!
Yes, it's on.
Balitaan balitaan mo naman kami, Violet, na sumali ka sa isang sikat na singing competition. Pwede mo ba i-share kung ano mga experiences mo dito?
Well, I've been singing ever since a young age. I've been watching a whole ton of talent shows, singing shows, and I've joined a whole ton of competitions until I finally landed on my big break. I got into a huge competition, and that's been such a fruitful experience and such an amazing journey for me. I've learned a whole ton of stuff, especially from my coach, Coach Bamboo. He was he was a really big teacher and like mentor to me, especially when he tells me to really put my feelings into the song and to tell my story out into the world, to express my feelings and my voice, my story to the world. So I guess it's very hard, you know, especially as a singer-songwriter, to be in this industry. But you know, I'm ready. I feel like I'm ready.
Kaya pala meron siyang ganyan. Ano ang tawag dyan? Oo, kay Bamboo yan, di ba?
Oo, kay Bamboo. Kay Coach
Kay
Bamboo.
Bamboo. Mga ano ba?
Parang ano sasabihin mo? Uy, ngayon naman imbitahan mo naman yung ating mga viewers na panoorin ka sa mga, if you have like any gigs.
Well, I actually have my first concert coming up that's going to be this May 17th at Teatro Marikina. You can go ahead and buy tickets on my Facebook page. Just search Violet Sabrina Santa Cruz and you'll be able to find the featured post over there that says how to buy tickets, what time and everything, all the details, all of my amazing guests, because it's going to be not just me in this concert, it's going to also be with my friend Bjorn Morta. He's going to be with me singing in this concert, a whole ton of duets, and we're going to have such amazing guests that includes like Six Sense, One Verse Unit 2, and also Grimes. So it's going to be really, really hype as well. I'm going to have a live band with me. It's going to be super amazing. The energy will be so electric. So go ahead and stay tuned this May 17th for the A Step Further Together concert. Just follow me on my Facebook page.
Ayan.
Exciting!
Kaya nga, Leslie, kanina, nagpasampo siya sa start ng program natin. Ngayon, maririnig natin ulit sa mga Car SB. Kaya nandito na siya ulit, Violet!
Malipas ng gabi, may tanong na di malutas. Anong lihim ng pag-ibig na tila'y misteryo sa atin? Sulyap ng iyong mga mata, sikreto ng pusong nag-aalab. Puso'y naguguluhan sa tinig ng pag-ibig mong wakas. Hinahanap sa gitna ng dilim ang sagot sa tanong na to. Sulyap ng iyong mga mata, sikreto ng pusong nag-aalab. Pag-ibig ay pangarap lang, o tunay na misteryo sa puso. Sulyap, ibig mong wagas, tulad ng bituin sa kalangitan. Pag-ibig mo'y walang hanggan, tama sa bawat halik ng hangin. Sulyap na nagbibigay liwanag. Sulyap ng iyong mga mata, sikreto ng pusong nagalang. Puso'y naguguluhan sa tinig ng pag-ibig mong wagas. Huwag nang itago ang damdamin, pag-ibig ay misteryo at wagas. Sa piling mo'y walang hahanapin pa.